today we're diving into Read AI, a tool that claims to be your ultimate AI meeting assistant. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's see if it lives up to the hype or if there are some red flags lurking beneath the surface. Read AI positions itself as an AI-powered assistant designed to streamline your meetings. It offers features like real-time transcription, summarization, and task management, aiming to make your meetings more productive. The interface is straightforward, which is great for users who may not be tech-savvy. You can quickly input meeting details, and the AI promises to generate concise summaries and actionable insights. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, the depth of the summaries can vary, and some users might find them too simplistic. Also, the integration options with other software aren't clear-cut, something that could be a deal-breaker for teams relying on specific tools. Overall, it feels user-friendly but might not cater to more complex needs that larger teams or organizations might have. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Read AI is definitely easy to use, which could be a huge time saver for busy professionals. The real-time transcription feature is impressive and can help ensure nothing gets missed during discussions. On the flip side, there are some concerns. The summarization can be hit or miss, and if you're looking for detailed insights, you might end up disappointed. Plus, there's a lack of transparency regarding pricing and data security, which might make some users hesitant. It might not suit larger organizations that need more robust features or integrations. However, small teams or solo professionals looking for a straightforward meeting assistant could find it beneficial. In conclusion, Read AI could be a great fit for individuals or small teams seeking a simple, efficient way to manage meetings. However, if you're part of a larger organization or need more advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. It's worth trying, but approach it with realistic expectations about its capabilities.